good, good.
I've been watching on YouTube. I thought you were talking on the videos.
There you go.
That's a good compliment.
So we was here 4 or 5 years ago. We're standing right there.
We live in Dallas.
Oh,
he made me drive out here.
And then
We're out here visiting. I'm from here, but he's from Texas. And he was like, no, we have to go there.
I was watching Big when Biggs had his M3, fixing the modified. He was wasting money back and forth and doing his thing. This guy's the humble. He got all the real estate. He got all the properties everywhere. He invested in Dogecoin.
When I said, what do you want to do with the weekend? He said he needs to come here.
Yeah,
That's cool.
Yeah.
so
That's awesome. Yeah, real fan. Cool.
Yeah,
He knows
so-
a lot about the channel.
so yeah,
That's
yeah.
awesome.
And this is my wife. She's a YouTuber herself.
Yeah.
So
Oh, you guys are on YouTube now.
Yeah. Hey!
All right, guys, we're standing in front of this beautiful Rolls-Royce Cullinan, brand new car. This car came all the way from Florida. It was a full white stock Rolls-Royce Cullinan. The whole exterior was white and chrome, stock wheels, but it had this beautiful red interior. Customer, I guess, was only able to find this white on red, really wanted that interior. So he went ahead, ordered some RDB wheels. We round trip transported it from Florida. It's about to go back now. We handled all the transportation with our partners at JP Logistics, got here safely, and we took the car apart, wrapped it all up in this metallic gloss black color, inside and out, which obviously door jambs included. So whenever you open the doors, there's no white, it's all that black color. All the chrome trims have also been wrapped up, so no chrome trims. RDB2, these are called the RDB 45 wheels right there, 24 inch. The 26 inch is the one with the 50 spokes. The 24 inch is the one with the 45 spokes. I always have to explain that. The customer wanted 26s originally. I talked them out of it because the 24s are just more drivable, honestly. And they look great still. They have a good tire on it. The 26s, there's really crappy tires out there. I mean, everybody keeps putting really cheap tires and makes the car drive like shit. So these 24s are perfect. The car is lowered. This is in low mode. So this is picture mode, we call it. Whenever it drives, you guys saw it on film driving, it's a little bit higher. It drives really, really good. Honestly, it drives almost like stock. You could barely notice. And of course, it has this beautiful red interior. Our favorite is this red interior, the mandarin orange interior, those two, and the blue. That blue interior are really, really gorgeous. But this black on red spec is amazing. It's one of the best colors you could do. The emblems are all blacked out, painted, of course, as well. So all that's left is actually to tint it. We're gonna do dark tints on it, and then the tow truck is gonna take it East Coast, West Coast thing again. We're doing a lot of East Coast cars lately, so don't be afraid to ship your cars from New York, Miami, Texas, wherever. You get them from everywhere. Do the job right, it goes back, and you never have to touch the car again. And that's the point. You get to have the car, enjoy it, and never worry about it. The car is absolutely flawless, so it looks incredible. Let us know what you guys think.
Tequila, vato. Tres Reyes. It's like oxígeno.
What?
Oxígeno. Oxígeno para mi cuerpo. Hey, me corto esta. También me la voy a cortar. Cut it o no?
Huh?
Maybe a little bit, ¿verdad? Quiere que trabaje, que me está mandando a trabajar. But I show my bait. I don't have nothing to do. Hey, ya terminé lo que tenía que hacerme. So they push me a lot. No? They push me. Other guys push me. They look at me. They want to tell me something, but they don't say nothing. Let me have something to do, please. I need to do something.
Chill, bro. Hey, those are cookies.
What's the part number?
I'm trying to talk business.
It's your car. It's not business. You're wasting our time.
Okay, can we open that thing? What do you call?
GoFundMe, bro.
Yeah, GoFundMe.
That's for people that are hurt and really need help. Your wheels are not important.
It is.
No, it's not.
I'm gonna make a T-shirt. Okay, so there's a shirt coming up. I will
There's a
post
shirt
it.
coming up.
Yeah. So I know what I'm gonna do. There's just I'm gonna make a short. No.
I'm gonna make a short.
Okay, that. I'm gonna make a T-shirt and maybe a short too. So both, yeah, maybe. But T-shirt is gonna be 100%, and I'm gonna sell it and buy wheels.
What's the shirt gonna be?
Oh, sorry.
It's gonna be something funny. First, it's gonna be a BMW. I'm gonna sell it for like $40.
40?
Mm-hmm.
Put your face on it and put Urus Killer, and then that's it. Why would you put that
Alright guys, I am standing in front of this wild McLaren 720S. This is that 1016 Industries full carbon fiber wide body kit. There's only two in the world right now. You saw this one before, it was full carbon fiber with a little bit of green, Tiffany green accents. Now you see it in this crazy purple color. We still left a lot of exposed carbon fiber throughout the vehicle, little tidbits so you can set it off and show the carbon. It still has those crazy carbon disc wheels right there. This time the wheels are a little bit different. The inner barrel was painted to match the color of the wrap, and then we have some really bright orange brake calipers, center caps, little stripe on the wheels. So really cool because the interior also have orange stripes. So orange and purple, it goes really well honestly, and carbon fiber, it goes really well together. This car is super wide. It has that fixed big wing in the back. You guys already know it's lower, tuned, loud, exhaust, everything. My buddy Peter owns this car personally, and we're proud to work on it. It's a hell of a car, widest McLaren out there. So super excited that we're able to wrap it up. It's going to Monterey Car Week, which is currently happening right now. This car's gonna be driving around. You can't miss it obviously because it's purple and it's loud. We also finished up two other McLarens, the 765 and obviously the GG's faded blue carbon fiber 1016 Industries McLaren as well. All three of them are headed up to Monterey, so if you catch it, take some pictures, tag us. This is wild, let us know what you think. I think the purple is really cool color. I hate it when it's down, to be honest. But when it goes down, you can see more view in front of you. But honestly, it's so minimal, it's like, doesn't make sense. And then, yeah, you gotta put all the modes. And once these cars are tuned, you have to turn traction off because then it's very slow with traction on. And also the car needs to be driven like a minute before you can turn traction control off. It's telling me it's not possible. I don't like when cars tell me what I can't do to them. So I have confirmed. So yeah, now the car is ferocious. It loses traction and all that, so you gotta be careful. You gotta know how to drive. This car makes, a healthy 900 horsepower probably. Well, this has straight pipe and a stage 2 tune and all that stuff. Yeah, this car's no joke. It's very fast. You don't get exhilarated like that often with cars anymore, but this is fun. This is fun. It would be fun to take this on the track and have all your doors fall apart and stuff inside while you're driving. This pops off and hits you in the face. Sorry, McLaren. Other than that, crazy performance car. Looks crazy. Gull-wing doors. The McLaren 720 is a big hit. So don't get me wrong. The 765 is also sick, but the 765 actually rattles worse than the 720. And they blame that on, I believe, the flywheel, the drivetrain. It's lighter, so it rattles more. Literally, when you put that car in reverse, your whole body shakes. Yeah, McLaren's never gonna let me have a car, but it's okay.
sturdy like a Millie Rocket. Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller knockers. Money in my pocket, don't call me a money pocket. Engine get to rocket, it sound like a thunder rocket. Yeah, I still love my baby even when it's toxic. Crazy like she Britney, but no, she don't shade the knock. Russell Wilson way I get low and stay in the pocket. I get paid and do my dance like a touchdown. Yeah, I can